So we just grabbed these out of the fridge. Well, they've been in the freezer probably maybe a good 4 hours. And as you can see, it's just normal Coke. Nothing inside it. But when you crack it, you give it a good knock, it turns it into a slushie. So there's a slushie. There's a slushie. So we just made 4 slushies quickly. Happy days. So the trick is just to leave it in there before it gets frozen. You don't want to freeze it, because if it freezes, it's all over. But for some reason, when you open it, let the air in and the fizzy gases out, give it a bit of a tap and a bit of a shake, she turns into a slushie. Then you can put these back in there, which that's what I did to that one. So that one's a bit better than these ones. So, red hot tip. Can't find Macca's, make your own.